Welcome! We're on video 912 BFJ 202. My name is Kanji Coder. The source code is right here. Let's get fucking going. So in ArtGirl shader source fragment number 8, we have changed nothing, but we've added this little tag to better find this section of code, bombs for Josh with underscores. Also, the main entry point for shader number 8, we've also added the bombs for Josh tag right here with double underscores just to find this code that we visit quite often. In data by system, inside of the ArtGirl data section, inside of the ArtGirl struct, we've changed absolutely nothing as well, but we've added commentary explaining what each one of these shaders are, because numbers can be mysterious, can't they? Down here in Edict 2, Editor Controller 2, we've done absolutely nothing. I was just looking around, and I found the thing I wanted in Keyboard Master, I believe. So where are you, Keyboard Master? Keyboard Master, the Keyboard Master function. So if we scroll down here, we have Keyboard Master down editor. It handles the down event. It takes an input event of type keyboard and figures out what the fuck to do with it. We've added swap key here and a shorthand reference to our input event called EK for event key, right? And then down here in detect controller swap, we've added that shorthand variable right here. And then we've added some commentary. The functionality has not changed here. And then right here, if we have a number key and we're also holding down Alt, if it's a number key corresponding to editor controller 1, so it's the 1, then we're going to mark that we swapped keys and changed to editor controller number 1 for our data edic num, right? And then if we've pressed number 2, editor controller 2 is going to be our data edic num, right? The edic num right here is whatever editor controller is in focus. The number here in swap key does not fucking matter as long as it is positive to signal truthiness. Route to editor controller. We've added this guard right here called swap my bitch up. We're only going to enter it if swap key is less than or equal to 0 so that we don't have weird side effects when we're swapping between controllers. ECN is just shorthand for data editor controller number in focus. If editor controller 1 is in focus, we use editor controller 1. If editor controller 2 is in focus, we use editor controller 2. We just pipe down the input keyboard event to one of these sub-controllers, basically. And throw an error if neither editor controller is in focus, because we fucked up. My name's Kanji Coder. If you want a longer explanation, you'll have to go here. We have no time here. Source code is here. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine. Like and subscribe.